and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So I did ask on Instagram on my story if you guys wanted to see the Eber Rouge or the Night Whisper kit from Makartts, and the majority of you did vote for Starry Night Whispers. So we are going to be doing a Christmassy night sky sort of vibey set today with this absolutely stunning galaxy looking kit. I absolutely love the packaging. I'm gutted that the corner there is ripped. Because it comes from so far away to get to me, it doesn't last through the shipping process, unfortunately. But this kit does come with like your little instructions and your little thank you note along with your jewel forms. The jewel forms do come in two different sizes. You have the straight and then you have the curved. I do show you in the video as best I can. I don't use the jewel forms in this video though, so yeah. Also, you might hear my children in the background a little bit chatting because they're playing, and I decided to do this voiceover in the morning instead of in the evening. So, yeah, they're running riot. So, yeah, it's been a very busy week. We haven't stopped. Is there anyone else like running ragged and like headless chickens trying to sort everything out because it's Christmas week? Oh, I love the rush. Because, you know, at the end of the week or at the end of the day, you get to sit down and you're like, wow, I got so much done today. So that's that's why I'm doing the voiceover this morning now instead of last night, because we didn't stop yesterday. My car was full of bags for food shopping. But anyway, back to the kit. So in this kit, you do get a top and a base coat, and I absolutely love the ombre colours. These are my favourite colours, so I was like, Then you get a 100 to 180 grit file. You get your spear, a javelin tool, which is your spatula and brush picker tool, your polygel brush essentially. I absolutely love the packaging. Look at that purple, pink to blue ombre. Oh, it's just absolutely lush. I love it. I'm so obsessed. And then you get 6 gorgeous glitter polygels. So originally when I seen these, I was like, I'm not too sure about the shades, but in person they look completely different to like online. They all are sealed, by the way, and they are all 15 grams each. So these don't actually have names for some reason. They do have numbers though. They're all numbered 13801 to like through, yeah. It's a lot of numbers. But I do swatch them all. So the first one is like a white brisket, like a pearlescent sort of colour. I see a lot of these sorts of polygels now. The pearlescent sort of looks. But I'm here for it. I love it. I absolutely, it's stunning. Then the next one is this gorgeous like metallic sort of metal purple. I hope that makes sense. Then the next one is a light purple with some, it's like a jelly purple. Is actually really nice. It reminds me of the purple jelly colour in the purple kit, but it's got glitter in. Then there's another purple, but again, it's darker, as you can clearly see. There is also a nice dark blue, like navy blue, night sky blue colour, and then there is a greenish turquoisey sort of, yeah, it's a very dark greenish blue. I don't know how to explain that colour. So these colours are stunning. They do give me off galaxy vibes. I'm sorry, my kids are shouting. So anyway, once we've done I showed you with them cured and with them uncured. This is the cured, of course. So they cure fine in the lamp. They are really nice to work with, by the way. So I am just going to show you a little bit of cuticle prep with a different cuticle pusher, because that one had stuff on. I think that was the one that I used to like scrape stuff away from like my polygel and all. Yeah, I don't use that one. But anyway, I am going to use a clean one now, and I'm just showing you that you would push back your cuticle and then take the other end of your cuticle pusher and you would just scrape away any of the dirt and dust and dead skin. I won't show you properly because I do have a peel off base coat on, but I do have videos and I will link them in the cards of how to prep your nails properly. You would then go in with some dehydrator and primer, and then of course go in with your base coat and cure for 60 seconds in your nail lamp. Depending on your nail lamp though, of course you will need to just double check the instructions just in case, because some lower wattage lamps are harder to they take longer to cure, and if you've got an LED or a UV as well, that's, yeah. So anyway, I am doing the lazy girl method today because I am lazy as hell and I've had a busy week and I still want to get out content, and I really wanted to show you this kit, guys, because it's so gorgeous. So yeah, we're doing the lazy girl method. I didn't even speed up this video because otherwise I would have had no footage whatsoever. This method is so quick and easy. It's great for beginners. All you literally have to do is it's essentially the dual form method, but of course you don't pop off the nail piece at the end, so it turns into the lazy girl method. Yeah. So anyhow, I am just going to use that gorgeous blue color, and I'm just making I'm just putting it all in the nail for one nail, full cover nail of just this one color for my little finger. I stick it onto my finger, make sure it's clean up around the sides and at the back, and then I cure in my nail lamp. And then of course we move on to the next nail. The next nail I done a full purple nail with that darker purple. My kids are so noisy, I do apologise. And now my dishwasher's chiming in. It's like the madhouse here today, but so anyway, on the ring finger, like I said, I'm using that darker purple, and look at all the glitter in that. I do hold it up to the camera in a second, and I show you how glittery these polygels actually are. This purple one, look at that. Oh, look at all that hollow. It's so gorgeous. Oh, I love glitter. So when polygel comes with glitter and it's like different colours, oh, I'm so obsessed. But this kit was really nice to work with, by the way. I am going to quickly jump out. The only thing is, it doesn't come with any slip solution. I did have to use the Makartts pink kit slip solution, but you can use rubbing alcohol. I know some people do use acetone, but I would suggest not to, because it can break down your polygel, because that is what you use to remove your product, so it will break the polygel down. It might look fine at the beginning, but it's essentially not a good idea, because acetone is a removal product, not an application product. You can use base coat. I wouldn't suggest so, because when you're cleaning up, you need something to clean up around the cuticles and stuff, and if any gets on the skin, and base coat is gel, and you can get allergies. That's my personal preference. So I know a lot of people do use it, but hey, whatever works for you best is, do you know what I mean? So, but other than that, this kit is amazing. These polygels are really nice to work with. They're nicely firm. They're not too firm. They're just a nice firmness. They don't move around. They don't like, once you put it in its place, it's there. It's stuck there, And I didn't even speed this video. This is all real time. I thought I'd just leave it all real time because, yeah, this nail kept coming off the stand though. So the middle finger, I decided to do like a marbly sort of ombre-ish. I don't even know, it looks like a bit like a jigsaw basically. I just wanted to like mash them all together. I'd done the same for both this nail, the middle nail, and the index finger. And then the thumb, I wanted to do that blue colour again because it was absolutely stunning. So yeah, this set was really fun to do because it just gave me like galaxy night, starry night, as the name says, Christmas vibes, it was perfect for this sort of thing. So yeah, but anyway, I'm going to put some music on whilst you guys watch this little bit, and I will be back when we start to put on some like decals and stuff like that, well, decoration and the top coat. I didn't file. That's another great thing about this method. You don't have to file because the shape's already there. You leave the nail on, so you don't have to file. And again, I do apologise for the loudness of my kids, but I don't apologise, but I know that they can be quite loud. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back in a bit. And I'm back, guys. Hello. So I was just showing you then that these polygels are very opaque, so you do get a bit of like bleeding because the colours are so opaque, but it didn't affect the polygels themselves, and I was able to clean off my brush instantly after, so I wouldn't worry. So anyway, now what I'm doing is I just wanted to see if using base coat and then like sticking the stickers into the wet base coat was easier than just sticking stickers down. Either way is pretty much normal. I think I prefer to just stick the stickers down in future on a dry surface, nail surface. I don't know, that the base coat was just letting everything move around. So the solid coloured nails, I decided to stick some snowflakes on, and this nail, like I said, I used base coat, but you don't have to. I cured in the nail lamp once I'd stuck them all down, but the other nails I didn't use base coat, so it was completely up to you. But yeah, like I said, I just stuck down some snowflakes. These ones I got from the Beetles gel polish set, but you will be able to find loads of different Christmas stickers and snowflake stickers on Amazon, and if you go with Prime you'll get them within a couple of days, which is great. Yeah, I really enjoyed doing this set. This set was really fun. I really like the colours. I am obsessed with these colours. They are stunning. But yeah, once I'd done this, I just stuck some top coat on and I cured again because it's all about the curing. And then I just added some cuticle oil, and that was pretty much it. And then there's the reveal. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I am going to leave it here because you guys can just watch for the end result now, because we're coming up to it very soon. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed. If you do have this kit, let me know what you think of it as well down below in the comments, and let me know if you're going to get this kit, because this kit is so great. And it's, you know, it's not just for Christmas. You could do loads of different styles with it. The galaxy idea is definitely something you could do, but yeah, I'd highly recommend this one because I don't think it's that expensive neither. I think it's like £32 on Amazon, which is great. And it's even great for a family member for Christmas or for yourself. Completely up to you. But anyhow, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope that everyone is having a great week, by the way, a weekend, I should say. And let me know down in the comments what your plans are for next week. I'd love to hear them. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You do not have to, but it does help me out, of course. All my discount codes and my affiliate links are in the description box. You don't have to use them, but it does help me out if you do use them. Just have a gander. What else? I'm forgetting my outro. I hope everyone is staying safe. Don't forget to keep on smiling. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys!